Actually, it said it on that little flyer to bring sunscreen.
Yeah.
Still going to be hot, but it's not going to be as humid if you want to head out.
That's good. Are people going to be able to really enjoy this weekend, all the events and festivities going on?
I think so, guys. In fact, it will still be warm, like Megan said, yes, but those actual air temperatures will be a few degrees cooler, too. So all in all, this is shaping up to be a pretty comfortable June weekend. You know what? After all the humidity and those really hot temperatures we've been dealing with the last few days, I think we deserve what we have this upcoming weekend. But right now on the Wave 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network here at 617, we have a clean sweep across our 3 radar sites in the Shoals, Decatur, and Guntersville. Let's go back over the last 3 hours, though. Look at the bottom of your screen. We had a big cluster of thunderstorms go right along Interstate 20 closer to Birmingham last night. Some of those storms were actually severe. Nothing to worry about. They quickly fell apart. Could have 1 or 2 showers bubble up this morning, but in general, we stayed dry until this afternoon. So if you're going to be walking the dog, same story as the last few days, get that walk done before you head to work or later on this evening with those dangerous heat index values back around 105 yet again today. Temperatures climbing into the mid 80s by 9 a.m. Your pool forecast not as great as the last couple of days because of that storm chance this afternoon. It's still hot though. 97 is our forecast high. Those heat index values will peak around 105 to 107. Reminder that heat advisory is with us until 7 o'clock tonight. Now I mentioned that thunderstorm potential. This is ahead of our next cold front that moves through tonight. Some of those storms could be strong. The greater risk for severe weather is to our east today. That orange shade, a level 2 risk for the Carolinas, stretching into Georgia as well. But here in North Alabama, it's not out of the question to maybe have 1 or 2 of those strong to severe storms that has 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts, very heavy rain, and maybe some hail too. It's just a level 1 risk on our 1 to 5 scale. Think back to Wednesday, talking about those kind of storms as we go through the day today. Let's go through future radar. Note the timing. This is 1 o'clock this afternoon. Notice how this line of storms is rather broken and it's not too terribly strong. So we'll just have to do what we call nowcasting and watch these storms as they go through this afternoon, North Alabama. See, it's right along the Alabama-Tennessee state line by 1 o'clock. And then those storms pretty much fade away by 7 o'clock this evening. Still can't rule out a lingering storm past sunset tonight, but the rain chances will quickly wind down. Quiet start to the day on Saturday. Maybe a few more clouds tomorrow morning, but those clouds will quickly move out tomorrow afternoon. Father's Day weekend should be just fine. Juneteenth, of course, on Sunday as well. Forecast highs in the lower 90s, 91 to be exact both days. Plenty of sunshine. Comfortable mornings, too, especially Sunday morning, right around 63 degrees. So we'll call it pleasantly warm for the upcoming weekend. But make sure you enjoy outside time this weekend because look at next week. You thought it was hot this week? Look at Monday, 95. Tuesday, 98. Wednesday, 100 degrees. The first time in a couple of years we will see those actual air temperatures in the triple digits. And as you look at the 7-day forecast, you notice, well, there's not much relief to speak of. Those highs remain in the upper 90s to right around 100 for all of next week with no rain chances to cool us down once we get past today.